Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐸𝐬𝐬 with another tutorial whether how you can schedule your stories on Instagram using Metricool. So to schedule your stories on Instagram, sign into your Metricool account and go to Planning tab. Here you can click either here anywhere in this area, or you can just click on Create Post. Both will open the same window. Well, there are two sections of this window. On this section, you will be able to see the preview of your post, and on this section, you will be able to create your post. Well, here are the logos of all the platforms you may have connected with Metricool. And since I'm interested in scheduling my stories on Instagram, I'm selecting Instagram and turning off all the other platforms. And when you click on this drop down, it gives you options whether what exactly you want to schedule. Since this tutorial is about scheduling stories, I'm selecting story. Now add your image or video and remember, there is no need to add any description for stories. You can just write your message on your image or video you plan to post as stories. Anyhow, here you can see the preview of your story, whether how it will look like when it will be published. And if you have some extra notes about this story, you can write them here. Moreover, you can use link shortener if you want. Now, select the time and date you want your story should go live. And then click on schedule. Now your story has just been scheduled. And when you hover your cursor on it, it is showing that the status of this story is pending. And if for some reason you want to change the time and date, you can just drag and drop it there. And when your story will be published, the status of the story will change from pending to published. And when you go to your Instagram account, you cannot find it like your posts and reels. It will remain hidden under your profile icon. So to find it, just refresh your page and a circle will start showing around your profile icon, which means if someone clicks on it, he will be shown the story. Moreover, if you want to reschedule this story, you cannot just drag and drop it to reschedule it. First, open it and duplicate it. And then change its time and date to reschedule it. And here you can see that it's been rescheduled. And when you go to the Instagram section on the main page, here you will be able to see the stats of your account. And with the free Metricool account, you will be able to see the stats for 3 months without watermark. And this is how you can schedule your stories on Instagram using Metricool. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.